Hi boys and girls, today we're on lesson 114 and it's going to look like this, so make sure you have that out. And we are going to get started on our spelling sounds on number 1. Number 1, oo, like tooth, oo, it would be that O-O sound. Number 2 is ol, L, or as a final sound it could be LL. Number 3 we have v, so V, or as a final sound VE. Number 4, like hook, is OO also. Number 5 we have F, or as a final sound FF. Number 6 we have toll, that's that final stable syllable TLE. Number 7 we have X, which is just X. Number 8 we have Y. Y. Number 9, I, and number 10, B. Make sure that you got those down while we were doing them. And I'm going to erase, and we will practice spelling a couple of words. We are going to spell air on number 11. Air, that's at A-I and then R. Number 12, we're going to spell fail. So we have F and then that A-I in the middle and ul. Make sure you have those 2 words down. Alright, do you remember how a little bit ago we learned about that schwa-a? So in the word ago, it makes that sound. And we also have to draw our line here and do vowel, consonant, vowel with the A. And then that makes it the schwa, right? Go. Today, we're going to do something similar, but we're going to learn about E, O, and U vowel, consonant, vowel patterns. We're going to look at the word event. On event, we have vowel, consonant, vowel. If we drew our line here after the consonant, it would be event, and that's doesn't sound right, right? So we would want to draw it here, and it would be event. We can do this also with O. Here we have vowel, consonant, vowel. If we draw a line here, it would be protect. That doesn't really make sense. We know it needs to be protect. So we would draw our line there and do a macron on our O, because here then we have an open syllable. Remember, when we do our syllable line, then it becomes open. And then we can also do it with where is it with our U? Let's look at superb. Again, vowel, consonant, vowel. If we put it right here, it'd be superb, but we know that's not right. We want it to be superb. So we would draw our line there. Let's practice spelling a couple of words like this. Number 13. Event. So we have the E, V, and T. Event. Number 14 we have omit. O, it, omit. 15 we have July. So our capital J, because July is a month. July. All right. Make sure that you have those 3. And then we will move on. Alrighty. Next, let's practice coding our words. Number 16. Hotel. We have vowel, consonant, vowel. Again, we know we need to put it there so that the O gets a macron and the E is vowel consonant gets a brev. Number 17, debate. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Our line is going to go here. We're going to get a macron on the E. Here we also have vowel, consonant, E. Sneaky E gets marked off and the A gets a macron. Number 18, we have produce. We have vowel, consonant, vowel here, so we're going to draw our line. Our O gets a macron. Then we also have U, consonant, E. E is sneaky, gets marked off, and the U gets a macron. Number 19, we have superb. We already did this one. Vowel, consonant, vowel. We'll draw our line. And our U gets a macron. We also have an ER, or arc, on there. And number 20, protection. Big word. Protection. And this one, let's do our final stable syllable shun. There at the end, we'll just bracket that off. We also have vowel, consonant, vowel. We know it's pro, so our O gets a macron. We draw our line there, and our EC gets a brev. Draw a line over to the picture that matches there, and make sure you have this down. Alrighty. Number 21. Wrong. Here we have our NG digraph. We also have our WR ghost digraph where we mark off that W. And then our O gets a brev. 22. We have jigsaw. Alright. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw a line between our two consonants. Vowel, consonant, our I gets a brev, and then we also have our AW blend. 23, we have pine cone. Pine cone is a compound word, so we'll draw a line between pine and cone, and then we'll code each word. Here on both of them we have I consonant E, O consonant E, so we're going to mark our E off. Our I gets a brev, mark our E off, our O gets a brev. And that's all we do for that one. Number 24. Known. Here we have that ghost KN digraph. We're going to mark off our K. And then we have our OW digraph where we mark off W, and our O gets a macron. And it's going to look like that. Number 25, we have campaign. We got a lot going on in this word too. This is a hard word to spell if you ever had to spell it. I'm not sure that I could spell it without maybe a little help from a dictionary. So we're going to start our C gets a K back. We have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel going on. So we're going to draw a line between our two consonants. Here we have our AI digraph where we cross off I and our A gets a macron. We also have our GN ghost digraph where G gets marked off. And then we have vowel, consonant, our A gets a brev there. That was a lot going on in that word. All right, make sure you have this down. Draw a line over to the picture that matches, and then let's look at our homework for today. Oh, it's everybody's favorite, sentence writing. I think you're familiar with this now. You're going to pick out what they're doing in the sentence and say, this person is doing this, and so on. All right, see you next time, boys and girls.